Loss offering a free downloadable cookbook for the holidays. And not only do you benefit, but it also benefits a great cause. Aaron Santafanti, my cousin.
I was going to say Aaron who?
We go way back. Call him cuz.
Yeah. Right.
Aaron, first of all, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Aaron is a nutritionist.
I love that.
Which medical weight loss center do you work at?
I work at the Brighton Clinic for medical weight loss.
Very good.
Yes.
Now, did you have any hand in this cookbook?
Not me specifically, but dietitian backed, right?
Yeah.
We've got recipe ideas in there, so.
Very good.
And I think it's really cool that this is something free that people can download for the holidays as well, right? I mean, you can really take advantage of something like that.
Yeah, sometimes you need a little boost. I will tell you that Aaron's grandparents, who you had different names. What did you call Grandma and Grandpa?
Well, Rafaela and Oreste.
Yeah. So to some people it was Lena and Ernie. You know, people Americanize their names sometimes.
Right. Yes.
Anyway.
Oh, I know that.
So the cousins of my dad. So there you go.
Crazy
so we
connection.
are distant cousins. Okay, let's talk about the food.
It feels like very distant, but.
Well, he's a couple generations different than I am. Let's just show what you brought. So you brought some ceviche. I'm going to give one to Ryan to dig in on.
Big
ceviche's in the recipe.
So we have a strawberry and shrimp cucumber salad ceviche.
That looks good.
That's all of this in the cookbook.
All right. A real interesting dip to go with your fruit salad is over here.
So it's going to be a lemon and mint yogurt dressing for your fruit salad.
And also a super healthy soup. This soup is, I feel like, the way to go.
It is a very good soup. This is a turkey and lentil soup.
Yeah, hearty, but...
Hearty, going to fill you up, but still not going to be that many calories.
Let's get into this. This is a super popular thing to buy at the grocery store. You can make them at home much cheaper and probably healthier, right?
Yes, yes.
This little egg...
like muffin.
Egg muffin.
Yeah, I call them the healthy breakfast egg muffins.
Okay.
So I'll show you how to make them here. Got 6 eggs in a glass.
Yeah.
A little bit of almond milk.
Okay.
Got spinach, cheddar cheese, green onions, tomatoes, salt and pepper.
Okay.
Mix it up.
Yep. So
you're going to put all that in that little... do you need a bigger bowl?
This will work. We've already got some in here.
All right.
He's got it.
Got some out for you.
So you get the idea. So Aaron you blend all that.
Yep.
And then you're just pouring it into a muffin tin. Are you putting any, do you need any no-stick in there?
So some non-stick unflavored cooking spray.
Okay.
Right in there. We're going to bake these.
Yeah.
We already have some made right here for you to try.
I'm going to dig in.
Oh my gosh.
Just mixing this all together.
Aaron, as a nutritionist, what's the good thing about this? I know eggs give you a lot of protein.
Yep. So you're going to get protein from these. They're going to be a warm egg option, right? A lot of people will grab and go with a hard-boiled egg, right? During the winter, you want something warm, right? You can heat these up in the microwave, put them in the fridge.
How long are you cooking this for?
So these are going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes.
Okay.
And they're good to go after that. It's a very, very simple option.
I like your idea over here with the muffin little tins, too. These little cup paper. Yeah. Because then you're not dealing with that messy muffin tin, and this is really easy to take with you.
Yeah.
All right. How do people download the cookbook?
How many?
How do they do it?
Oh, how do they?
Yeah.
Okay, so you go to MWLC.com/cookbook. It's a free download. We're going to donate $1 for every download to Gleaners, the Meet Up and Eat Up program. So we'll be doing that all through the holiday season.
And let me ask you this, just in general, that medical weight loss. I know it's individualized. Is it? Are you trying to cut out sugar, fat, carbs, sodium?
So medical weight loss clinic, I mean, we have a couple different plans, options. We try to individualize everything. Nutrition, I believe, really needs to be down to the individual level.
Whatever works for you. Really
low sodium, low sugar. Those are your best bets.
Okay.
Start there.
Yep.
See if that doesn't benefit you, right?
That's a good starting point.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Aaron.
Aaron, great job.
Thank you for having me.
Say hi to the fam.
I will. Good to see you again.
You can download that, by the way, through December 26th. We'll be right back.